Welcome to Working Bank Aspirant channel.
Hello all, welcome back to my channel Working Bank Aspirant. Okay guys, this video is mainly regarding update on IBPS IRB notification 2025 year. So before going to estimate the notification date of IBPS RRB 2025, let's go into the deep and analyze the previous year notification dates. Then we will get a clear idea on which date the notification may get released in the year of 2025. Okay guys, let's before going to start with this video, I just want to give a overview of this video guys. Okay, here in this video I have taken 5 years data, like from starting with the 2024 to 2020. So 5 years notification details data I have took, and I am based upon that analysis of that 5 years data, I'm going to estimate the 2025 year notification date guys. Okay, this is all accurate information, and you can we can estimate the notification date based upon this. Okay, and also I'm going to give a important information in this video guys about RRB notification. Okay, don't skip this video guys, and because who are waiting for the notification, so this video is going to helpful for that people. Okay guys, okay, let's start this video. Here I have given in the first column, I have given notification year date guys, and all second and third column I have mentioned starting date and ending date, right? Starting date means it is the application process starting date. Ending date means it is the application process ending date. Okay guys, the notification is going to release before the starting date. Okay, for example, the notification got released today, so the application process is going to start from tomorrow. So this is the process is going to follow by the IBPS IRB guys. Okay, here based upon the application process details and notification details, and also I'm going to estimate the notification of IBPS IRB 2025. Okay guys, let's start this video. Starting with the year of 2024, the application started from June 7th. Okay, here clearly you can see, right? I'm showing you with the highlighted pointer. The notification ending date, the application process ending date is June 27th. Here you can see. And in the year of 2023, the notification application process starts from June 1st, right? So before one day, the application notification got released. So this is how you should estimate. Okay guys, I think you got a clear idea. Okay, here the application process ends on June 21st in the year of 2023. And coming to the year of 2022, in that year the application process started from June 7th and ended on June 27th. And in the coming to the year of 2021, the application process started on June 6th and ended on June 28th. And coming to the year of 2020, I have highlighted that year, right? So because I'll just going to explain clearly about that year. The notification got released in July first week, on July 1st, and ended on July 21st. Guys, when comparing all the years data, we can see that the notification is getting released in June first week, right? But in the year of 2020, the notification got released in the month of July. So because of the COVID reasons, because of considering the of that year, they got delayed. It got delayed, and they released it on July first week. But it got released, right? It was not get delayed that much of 4 5 months or like that. It got delayed only till 1 month, right? So based upon the situations in that year, COVID, due to COVID reasons. Okay, based upon these analysis and based upon the notification details from 2024 to 2020, we can estimate the 2025 notification date and week guys. Okay, based upon that, today is June 4th, right? June 4th, we can estimate the notification update or notification details or notification PDF in this week itself. Before 7th or 8th, means before this week. In the first week of June 2025, we can estimate the IBPS RB 2025 notification. If not, because so many people are saying that in this year on the May 1st it got merged, because there are 43 RRBs, right? So it got merged because one state one RRB has is on, it is effective from May 1st, right? So based upon that, it may get delayed. So many people, there is so much of information spreading in the on the internet. So guys, we didn't get any information we didn't get from the IBPS portal, right? So we can estimate the notification of IBPS RRB in the
Guys,
first week
based
itself.
upon the details and analysis of 5 years data, we can estimate the IBPS RRB notification, which is of PO or clerk, we can estimate in the first week of June. Okay, and we all know that IRB PO prelims examination is scheduled on this date, and mains examination has been scheduled, and similarly clerk prelims examination has been scheduled. So you can clearly see right here, based upon the IBPS calendar, we can estimate the examination dates on these dates only, because till now there is no other confirmations from the official calendar or from the official portal IBPS. So we can estimate the examination dates on the same dates itself till today, till June 4th. Have already before going to make this video, guys, I went to the website and I have clearly verified the website. They have not released any other informations like it is getting postponed, otherwise the IBPS calendar is going to revise. Till now there is no official confirmation from the IBPS portal. So we can estimate the IBPS RRB notification in the first week June itself, and we can estimate the examinations on the same dates which has been released by the IBPS. I have clearly shown here, right, in the previous slides. In these dates itself we can estimate the examination. So there is no official confirmation till now we got from the IBPS side. So if there is any official confirmation regarding IBPS calendar revising, or is there any delay in examinations, they will definitely going to update in the website. So if there is any update like this in the future, I'll definitely going to give information in my YouTube channel. The people who are aspiring for the IBPS IRB, IBPS PO examination, for my upcoming videos, and also I'll definitely going to update the information in my YouTube channel itself, guys, because the data which I'm providing to you all, it is accurate information. I'm not providing any kind of false informations, guys. So that is the reason I have, before going to make this video, I just go back to the IBPS website and I have checked the details. Is there any revise, is there any notification we got regarding the revised calendar or revised dates, or is there any information related to delay in the notification? So there is no official confirmation, guys. The people who are preparing for the examination, please be prepared very well. That definitely it is going to release in this week itself, and the notification and the examination dates is on the same date which has been released by the IBPS. So if there is any other informations, or if there is any delay, the website, IBPS website, which is IBPS, they are going to release the data. Okay, till that, just think that the notification will going to release in the first week of June itself. Okay, guys, this is about update on IBPS IRB 2025 notification date, guys. I think I have clearly explained you with the examples, right? With examples means with the previous year's analysis data. I think this is the accurate information which I am going to provide. This is not at all any false or any kind of information. This is the accurate information based upon the previous year's analysis. Okay, guys, and the people who are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, guys. And also I'm going to update, and I'm going to upload important information videos on IBPS IRBs, and also banking, government examination related informations. So the people who are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Okay, guys, before ending this video, I just want to give an important update to you all. Definitely the IBPS IRB 2025 notification will get released either in this month or in another month, or it definitely going to release. There will be no chance of having the examination, but there are, we can estimate maximum on the same dates of examination. So the people who are aspiring for the IBPS RRB PO or clerk, before expecting for the date, please be prepared very well for the examination, guys, because when we are having the examination, just I'll give a quick overview. There is hardly 20 days of time for the notification, and the dates has been released by the IBPS site, right? So there will be, I can say, there will be hardly of 1 month till the notification to the till examination. So there will be no other extra days available for the preparation for us. These are the extra days we should prepare for the examination. After getting the notification, we should prepare very well and we should revise the concepts. Only thing, that is the only thing, guys. Okay. So the people who are aspiring for the IBPS, RRB or clerk, before going to get the notification, please be prepared. So this is the actual sources have been mentioned in this video, guys. I have already uploaded the video IBPS RRB clerk 2025 strategy video. Guys, last year, by these sources I have cleared the prelims examinations in the first attempt. This is the genuine sources, guys. I have not kept more kind of sources or multiple platforms, not like that. Limited sources, limited mock test apps, right? Limited apps. I have cleared the IBPS RRB 2024 in the first attempt, guys. So the people who are aspiring for that examination, so please go and check this video. This video is really going to helpful for you all. Okay, guys. And also in the upcoming, I'm going to update on IBPS RRB notifications and also about important updates which will going to release by the IBPS as soon. And also, guys, the people during preparations, we will feel low, we will feel demotivated when the notification will get released. So many such thoughts are going through our mind, right? Going in our mind. So sometimes we'll feel demotivated, and always studying is also sometimes we'll feel low, right? So in that scenarios, please go and check the salary slip videos, because I have already made a salary slip videos of RRB PO and RRB clerk, guys. RRB PO clerk, IBPS PO. So we will get motivated by seeing that salary, because as we are not independent till now, like I'm already working also, I feel the government job is only independence for the people. I feel for me, I'm saying, guys. So till that, I will not be that much of independent. So as we are not independent, we will feel like if we will get that much of salary, it is very happy. We are all waiting for the day for creating of salary, right? So we are all doing hard work for the salary, for surviving only. We are not, like, some people will do for aspirations, and also maximum people for being independent, right? So the salary is the major concern for all the people. So we will wait for the day till when that salary get credited, right? So before going to that, we should be prepared well, and also we should get motivated all the time. So for the preparation, I made already strategy video, and for motivation, I have already made a salary slips video for IBPS RBPO and IBPS PO's clerk. So please go and check that videos, and please get motivated, and please be prepared well. That's it, guys. And before going to end up this video, just a small quote I just want to say. If you waste your time by scrolling your videos, by scrolling reels, it is waste of time, guys. The time will never get again come. So please utilize the time, and please be prepared very well. Whenever the notification will come, you already will be prepared, right? So it will be very easy for you to get cleared in the first attempt, right? So please be prepared very well, and we are all working to see our parents very proud, right? So please, for that moment, please work very hard, okay, with smart work. Okay, guys, thank you for watching this video, and if anybody are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll make these kind of videos in upcoming days. Please don't forget to subscribe, and also stay tuned for upcoming videos. Thank you, guys.
Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for my videos.